You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop, and Butch is excited today.
Bacon.
Thanks to everybody who voted on the poll.
Oh, thank you.
From the turkey and mashed potato and gravy cotton candy video.
I've been dreaming of this day.
Your options were bacon or sushi with the wasabi and the ginger.
Good choice,
And
everybody.
everybody picked bacon and eggs.
Yes.
So I am now boiling some eggs off to the side in another area. So that we're going to skewer them with a skewer.
Ouch.
And then we're going to wrap them in bacon cotton candy.
That is music to my ears, LPS.
I can't wait. So here we go. We have the same Archie McPhee candy product, which we've shown in all the other videos.
Smoky and sweet.
Hint, hint, bacon candy. Look at that. Ooh, you got pork, you got candy, and you got belly. Head and ham.
All the main parts of the pig.
Which do you want in regards to that? Do you have a preference? The head, the ham, the...
As long as it's bacon.
As long as it's bacon. All right, so let's get this off here. We will...
Oh, I can't wait.
Extricate the candy
I
from
didn't
its
sleep last night when I saw this on the schedule.
little collector's tin here. Okay. Let's see. Individually wrapped. Sorry. Just kidding, everybody. I could read. Just having fun.
I can hear the bacon sizzling now.
Can't smell it through the plastic. Sorry. Let me get a bag here. We're going to prep here.
Send one my way, please.
You may not. But we can sniff. It doesn't smell too much like bacon initially. You probably got to eat it, which I'm not going to let you do. It's not as strong of a smell as the last few we've had.
I held my bacon snack down to a pound today just because I knew this was coming.
Yeah, I'm not sure I'm going to let you try this one because it's not fair. I mean, you know, I'm the main presenter here, and I feel I should be the one that gets to eat everything, on camera.
Bacon,
Right, here we go. It is. It's bacon.
It's
I know.
bacon.
I'll give you a little taste. How about when we're spinning it? You could be the judge of that.
I might dive in on this one.
Bacon. We'll probably get a better sniff as we smash. You always get a better sniff as you smash.
Well, that's true. That's a true life statement right there, LPS-Dave.
I think that's that. One more.
Yes. You can never have too much.
There we go.
We're making bacon.
So what we have to do, everybody, is break it down.
As violently as you possibly can and quickly.
We've had some episodes with you smashing. Here we go. Everybody with headphones, all three of you out there. Not sure how many, but let's just say there's three. I am now going to smash away.
Commence the bacon smashing, LPS.
Here we go. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1. Oh, I love it.
I'm having fun smashing bacon candy. Okay.
Every step is a step closer to bacon.
You don't have to smash it that much, everybody. I was just in a smashing mood.
It's like to have fun.
All right, now I'm going to sniff. Yes. And actually, it smells pretty sweet. All right, so next now is we need to come in with our vessels.
Yes.
So we'll come back now and move along in the process.
Yeah, quickly, please.
All right, Butch, next step now is to skewer my eggs. All right, so let's pour, but I'm going to do this first, actually. I'm going to pour the sugary, bacony sweet into my bowl here.
The eggs are always just really a way to get the bacon into your belly, LPS-Dave. That's my opinion.
I agree. Now, I'm sure there's a lot of other things we can do to experiment, but for now, this is what we have chosen. All right, so egg numero 1. Here we go. We're just going to go right through the center. I'm going to be careful. And then that should be enough to spin. Yes, that'll work.
Nice.
Eggy number 2. We have a couple backups just in case. All right, there we go. Egg number 2.
Extra bacon candy.
There we go. So we're going to dry them off just a little because you don't want them too wet. And now we're going to spin our cotton candy.
Bacon cotton candy.
To be precise. All right, here we go, Butch.
Now, is there a grease catcher in this, LPS-Dave?
No grease. So we're going to consider this like a sweet maple bacon candy. Are you ready?
Am I ready?
Now you give me the heads up here, and
I'll give you
you're going to catch everything. Here we go. Fly. Oh, right away. Look at that.
Oh,
there we go. Our egg is, and it's basically warming up in the, okay, it'll balance out.
Come on. Oh, it's beautiful.
You think this will be like our top seller on the truck?
No question about it.
No question about it.
Anything with bacon in it, LPS.
Look at how nice she looks in there, huh?
What we might want to consider doing is when we wrap the other cotton candies, or just wrap them in cotton candy bacon.
Yeah. Cotton candy
bacon. Cotton candy.
Yeah, I got you.
That should be the last course.
What a beaut.
That's
Look
a beaut, all right. You don't
that.
even see the egg in there anymore.
The egg is now hidden.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
That means you got to explore through a whole mess of bacon.
So I'm going to put that one in my little stand off to the side. That is a beautiful cotton candy ball. Let's hear. Let me just take some of this out here. I just want to.
Me.
I am going to try just now. I'll wait, everybody. Here we go. Next round. Boy, there's a lot you could do with this. Maybe you can do it on a breadstick, huh? Bacon and eggs with a breadstick. That would be good. Say goodbye to the egg. Look at that.
Wow. Pretty cool, LPS-Dave.
Yeah. Okay.
There you go. Now it's building.
Yeah, it's starting to hide.
You know that problem when you get moisture in there, though? It really melts that cotton
It can,
candy.
and it's starting to do that now. So this one, I think, is starting to actually heat up on its own.
Cooking the egg.
Yeah. All right, so I think we're good. We have two. We will come back now, and I will test and taste my bacon and egg cotton candy.
Finally.
All right, Butch, here is egg number 2. I'm going to eat that one.
Beautiful.
Now, it is a little moist.
Yes, it is.
So here we go. I'm going to take a bite right off the top of this egg. Here we go.
Did you get the bacon, LPS-Dave?
I'm going to say out of all the ones we've had so far, this is the one I like the least.
Oh, no, I don't believe it.
Well, I'm not normally putting sugar on my egg, but the taste is okay. I do like the bacon cotton candy.
Uh-huh.
Let's get another bite on that.
You devoured that cotton candy.
It's nice when you get the yolk in the bacon.
Oh,
I almost just finished this one off, huh?
Oh, my goodness. Dead soldier.
All right, well, it's just a test, everybody. We're experimenting.
This is the Lucky Penny Shop candy sugar spinning cotton candy lab.
Yes. I mean, for our food truck. Eventually, this thing's going to be driving down the road, and people are going to be yelling at us, hey, stop! We want some of that cotton candy!
We're going to be whipping bacon cotton candy balls out at people.
And thanks for watching, everybody. Now, we will have to do a spicy one in the next round, so that one is coming up. And as always, we appreciate your support. Later!
Bye-bye, everybody. And happy baconing.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a Lucky Penny,
Pick it up.